Again guys, in today's video I'm gonna explain some very basic stuff like what's in a new project. I'm gonna explain the new project in depth, so let's get started. When you click on the new project, we have these three settings. What's in these three settings? We use saved user default settings. So what is this? So if in the previous, if previously you have worked in ETABS, you have made a project, you have made some settings like put some materials in the settings and put some units. So you do in the next project, if you want to use the same settings, then you can use this. Use saved user default settings. It will just uh, use the same settings in the present project. And second one is use settings from a model file. So this one is like we have in if you have done steel project, concrete project, etc. And you know that both of them will have different settings for both of them. So you have to do is click OK. And now for the third one, I'm gonna start this again. For the third one, use built-in settings. For the built-in settings, we have display units, steel section database, steel design code, concrete design code. So in display units, we have US customary, metric SI, and metric MKS. So I'm gonna use US customary. And steel section database, we have all these steel section database with the Euro, Indian, Korean steel design codes. You have all these different design codes for different countries, like Indian codes, American codes, British standard codes. You can use any of them as per your project. The same goes for concrete design code. You have different Hong Kong Eurocode, CSI, ACI. You can select any of them as per your project. Click OK. Now in the previous video, if your grids are simple, then you can use this project and you can make changes from here, like number of grid lines in X direction, number of grid lines in Y direction. I'll make it 5, and spacing between, make it 20, whatever you want. And number of stories you can change, make it 5, 6, typical story height. And the basic thing is that the bottom story height of any building is a little bit higher than the typical story height. So we'll make this 10. And we'll click OK. And these were the basics. Now one more thing you need to know about is that you can make some more changes from here. So you can see that story data, you can change the heights of each story from here, which is, you can change the height like 10, this doesn't make it 12, make it 430 or something. So yeah. And a few more things before going, I'm going to explain is the layout about ETABS. So this top bar is the menu bar. All of this is the menu bar. This bar is called standing toolbar, and this is called draw toolbar. You can draw a beam, with this, like this one, like I did in the previous video. And this is the beam, and this one is the Model Explorer. What is a Model Explorer? All settings that are material property, section property are present here. So we have display of analysis results, tabular forms, and reports to study in depth. And we have detailings if in general after I have done the project and I want to see the details about it, this will give me the reports. Like here I'm going to show you. Just generating the report. You can see it generated the report here about everything we have done here. And one last thing is that here you can use your name, project number, and whatever you write here will be in the reports. So that's all for today, and if you like the video, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.